WordPress for Beginners Step by Step 2020. So guys, before I begin, my name is Yavar Khan. I create a lot of WordPress tutorial, plugin reviews, and how to build an online brand or an online business. So please consider subscribing. So let's get started. Let's get WordPress for Beginners. So WordPress is basically a free content management system. Basically, in simple term, it means you can create a website for free. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so let's go Bluehost. So guys, this is one of the best web hosting for WordPress. So basically you would install WordPress on your hosting, and hosting is somewhere on the web where your website is hosted, then anyone can reach you. So for me, I would always suggest Bluehost, one of the best web hosting for WordPress, and especially for you guys, I have a 70% discount. So the link is down below. They give you a free domain for the first year, free SSL, and a 30-day money back guarantee. So if you don't like it, get your money back. But trust me, I've tried everything: GoDaddy, HostGator, a lot of things, but Bluehost is one of the best. And creating a WordPress website takes only 3 seconds. How much? It takes 3 seconds. So let's get started, and let's make my face small. Just go log in. Okay, basically you don't even have to log in, because let's go. Yeah, so basically just get started, and I would always suggest take the recommended one, because you would create more than one websites. So just select, and then just create a new domain. I already have a domain called yavarkhan.com, so just create it, and then on the next page, if you are feeling really lazy, sign in with Google, or just fill out all your information and everything, and I would select 12 months. It comes up to this much, but you would get a little bit more discount if you use my link. Fill up your credit card details, and voila guys, you are done. So basically, come back on Bluehost. So I've already purchased it, the hosting. Then all you have to do is click on login. This is my domain name, and this is my password, which I can't share obviously. So yeah, just click on login. Once you are over here, all you have to do is once you're over here, all you have to do is go on my sites, create a site. I'm going to call it You Are the Best. Click next. So basically I'm using my wife's domain name. So once you purchase your domain, select your domain from here. I have 2 domains. So this is my wife's domain, this is my domain, so choose that. I would write what? I would write demo 123. Okay, and then just, if you want, install all of these and click next, and within 3 seconds, so 1, 2 and 3, congratulations guys, you have installed WordPress. So installing a WordPress website is really easy. Now all you have to do is click on login to WordPress. So this is taking you to the WordPress dashboard. So this is it guys, congratulations again, this is your WordPress dashboard. If you click over here, click on visit site, this is your website. Looks really good, you are the best. Now there are 2 important things which you need to do. Click on settings, click on general. Guys, don't worry if I'm going really fast, I have a free bonus. If you watch the video till the end, I have a free bonus for you, so don't worry about it. So just fill out your site title, your tagline. Okay, that's it. And then the next thing is you go on permalinks. So on the left hand side, on the settings, on permalinks, click over here. Always select the post name and save changes. So basically this is really good for SEO currently right now. If I click on a post, it will show me some numbers, but if I do this thing, it will show me the post name, which is targeting the keyword, and Google really loves it, because you want to be friends with Google, because if you be friends with Google, obviously if you are really on the good side, you might rank higher. And I've seen a lot of blogs where they write a really good article and it ranks, and the traffic goes really high, and I've seen 1,000 visitors every day. So just make sure you do this. Now our website looks really simple, and it doesn't have any design. So I'm going to install a free theme. So we are going to install a theme called Astra. So to install, basically it's a skin on your website. Appearance, themes, click on add new and type Astra, and let me remove my face from here. Click over here and just click on install now. So I'm just gonna make it small. So wow, congratulations guys, you have installed a theme. Now I'll activate it. So this is it. So this is how you install, and boom, looks really good. Now the next thing what you have to do is, once you are done with this, go back over here on your dashboard, and then do you see this coming soon active page? Click over here. So basically what Bluehost does is, if I go just copy this, open in incognito. So currently this is how our website looks, because what Bluehost does is it does a really cool thing where it puts a coming soon page. So it makes you design your website however you want, and then once it's done you can make it live. So then just come over here, click on this orange thing, then launch your site. Click over here, and voila guys, congratulations again, you are done. Now the next thing all you have to do is again go on appearance and themes. Okay, go on Astra options. So literally you don't even have to do nothing. Astra options, click on install, this one, install importer plugin. Just click over here, and once it's installed, then you would be presented with this screen. Select Elementor. Why Elementor? Because Elementor is a free drag and drop page builder. Okay, so it will help you design your website really easily. So once this is done, congratulations guys again, and then just click on free. There's a paid version. I have a 20% discount on Astra theme. So if you go over here on all, so if you see agency somewhere, that means you need a paid version for this. So agency is like you need to buy the theme, but as I always say guys, never invest until you get some benefits out of it. So make everything for free. Once you start getting results, let's say people start contacting you, people start commenting on your blog post, then you can start buying things up. So let's say if you are a dentist clinic, or I would say, I always love this theme. So if you're a blogger, click over here, you can preview the theme over here. What I usually do is just import the site. So depending on your internet speed, usually it takes 2 to 10 minutes, but for me it takes only 1 minute to install. So I would wait, and once what it does is, basically I'll tell you, it puts all the templates on your WordPress website. And then as we install Elementor, so Elementor is a free page builder, so it will help you edit your website, and this is a pre-made template. So now you are installing a pre-made template, and you just have to use your mouse and just make changes to it, just like when you used to do it in Paint. Yeah, so you just have to drag, drop, and you can write. So let's wait for it. So I'm almost done. It took me less than 1 minute. So just click on visit site, and then this is our website. We don't know this lady, but then this is our website. Now remember, we installed a free page builder, Elementor. So just click over here and edit with Elementor. So now it's loading. You could see the green thing on the top, that means it's loading. All you have to do is just like this. It's very simple. You can say online business. That's it guys, and save changes, and you can just preview it over here. See, it's very easy. Business, and you just do this. Come over here, just update this. Come over here, it will automatically update. So now it's updating. Come over here, it will automatically update. Looks really cool. One more thing I need to give you is, come back on your website, click over here, exit to dashboard, go on plugins and add new, and I would suggest install, if you want to install plugins, I would suggest Yoast or Rank Math for SEO. So if you're just a beginner, install Yoast SEO. Why are we installing this plugin? Plugins are basically extensions for your website, so it enhances your website. So let's say for example we are installing Yoast SEO. What this would do is it will help us optimize our blog. You can activate it, and that's it. And then you need to set up, but I would end the video here because just for you guys, as I told you, I'm going to provide you a bonus. So I have created a free crash course on how to build a WordPress website from scratch. I tell you each and everything: how to install a theme, plugin, the best themes, the best plugins, the best settings for SEO, techniques to get thousands of visitors to your website. So this course is a free course, guys. Just join it and you would get the inside secrets, and also how you could build a website where you could get a lot of traffic. And thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.